Hey guys, Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get your very first email leads using ClickFunnels without having to struggle and figure out like cold calling and having to beg people to come to you. Alright, so lead generation is a hot topic in marketing because it is the basis of everything that we build our businesses around. Our goal as marketers should be to capture the person's email address of our future prospective customer. And the reason is because only 3% out of every 100 people are actually ready to purchase our product right now. The other 97% of everybody needs nurturing, they need email sequences, they need love, they need to understand who we are, and we need to give them time to fall in love with us and our products. Okay, so the goal is always to get the email. Okay, so how do we go about doing this? Well, one of the easiest ways that we can do this is to create some sort of PDF, or what we call like we call it a lead magnet. That's the term that we like to use in the industry. So let me tell you a story of what I did when I was working with a client of mine who is a mountain climber. We went ahead and I helped him create a 17-page PDF. Okay, so we used Canva, which is a free program that allows you to put in images, and you can also put in words, but there's lots of other programs out there too. You could also use Word. There's lots of solutions, okay? So we created a Word PDF and then a Word document, and we converted it and we saved it, save as.pdf. And we saved it as a PDF file. Now, I made sure to tell him and let him know that his little guide that he put up had a lot of really good content for mountain climbers, because that's who he talks to. He's a professional guide. And we created a 17-page PDF. And what we did was we put it inside of a ClickFunnels account that he has. So the first page says, hey, would you like to download this really cool guide? If so, please enter your email address. They hit yes. They go to the thank you page and it says, great, please be sure to follow us on Facebook. And it says, be sure, there's also another button that says, be sure to download your PDF right here, right now. Now, behind the scenes, what's also happening is that email address just got added into the autoresponder and just sent them a welcome email with another link to a copy of the PDF in case they missed it the first time. Because sometimes when people go to download stuff, they don't see it or they get interrupted. Okay, so by running just this one PDF that we had for him, we were able to grow his email audience from 35 people, right? We turned on an ad and on Facebook, and we targeted the mountain climbing community. And we had an audience of over 850,000 people just sitting in that little audience over there. And in every single time we turn it on, usually with a $10 a day budget, I'm talking boom, boom, boom. The emails start rolling in every few minutes. And we have grown his email account now to almost 1,000 subscribers. I checked a couple days ago, it was around 940. So we're just about ready to cross the 1,000 mark. So don't ever think that having something like that doesn't work, because it really does. But the trick is to make sure that it's of value and that you are really giving it your 1-2 college try. Like, make sure it's something that is valuable enough that your customer would want to consume. And you want to make sure that it's something that's either like for him, he's more serious. This is more of a serious topic, and we know that his audience is going to be reading that information. Don't give a bunch of words just to fill pages. Give people actionable steps or a transformation of some sort if you can. But checklists are really good. If it's a free clean eating challenge, give them a checklist of, foods to shop for, or because that's really doing is saving them time, right? That's giving them value. So the next time they go to the store, they know what foods to buy. You see the connection? So you want to make sure that whatever it is, it's either a list, a checklist, a PDF, a download, something of value. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you like content like this, please be sure to check the description down below where I have a link over to my Facebook group where you can join our monthly membership for $47 a month and learn more content like this, where you can learn to create sales funnels and learn to get your message out to the world. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care.